Oh, hey, Juan. Didn't see you coming. Then again, I just did. Just going through some business reports.
I think my machine's broken.
Your machine.
I think.
Sit down, Juan. You know how many shipments are behind? No, it's a really big number, or supposedly really big number. So I'm going to write it.
Shipments of what?
Boxes. This is a box factory.
I knew that.
Okay, you're behind this many shipments. 10 to the 5th. You know, I need to write that letter.
So is that like a higher number than 10?
Yes,
I can't.
it is.
I can't count that.
You don't
high.
know what exponents are, do you?
No.
Let me teach
I
you
can't
that.
count that high.
Okay, let me teach you that. Okay, so what 10 to the 5th power basically means? This means you take your base number, aka big number, and you multiply it as many times as the exponent says, aka 5. So in this case, you go 10 times 10 times 10 times 10 times 10. Okay?
And what's times?
Multiplication. It's not adding. So what should we do? 10 times 10 times 10 times 10 times 10, etc. And if you can't count that high, like my little friend here, Juan, then you would. This little thing comes in. Calculator.
It's calculator.
Something. It's a math machine. Okay.
Whoa.
Yeah. You hit the base number 10. Okay. 10. You hit this button.
What are you pointing it at? What is that thing?
That camera is there to help you. You hit this. No, Juan, stay back. This is gonna help you in the future.
Okay.
Okay. And then you hit this little button here that looks like a roof. It's called the exponent button. And then you hit your exponent, which is 5. Yeah, that's what I just did. And you hit enter. That's how many shipments you're behind, Juan.
That's 1, 10. That's 10, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. It's a lot of zeros. Why do you need the zeros? It's just 10 zeros.
That's 100,000 boxes that need to be shipped out by tomorrow, or you're fired. See what?
I've worked here
That's
for
10 to the
5
5th.
years. I've made
10
2
to the
boxes a
5th
year.
Is this?
I've worked here for 5 years, made 2 boxes a year.
And yet I don't know why I hired you.
I'm doing great.
You are doing great.
I'm doing better
On
than
opposite
anybody.
day. Now, Juan, you need to make those shipments before I fire you and you're out of my company. Okay?
So how do I make a box?
You make a box. What? Juan? You gotta be kidding me. Juan! What are you doing? I'm not done teaching you exponents. Get on back here. Sit down, Juan.
I got a cheeseburger.
You got a cheeseburger. You got, okay.
It's a mega burger.
Are you confused still about exponents?
What are we talking about?
Okay.
Oh, right. Okay.
Yeah. Another example for an exponent is this. 5 to the 2nd, which is an easier one.
Is that like how many? What is that then?
You take it and you go 5.
So is that like how many
Times 5.
boxes a worker should make a day?
Yes.
So I'm doing good.
No, you're not. And to solve that, you do the same thing. 5, little house, aka exponent. 2nd, enter, and that would be 25. A normal worker, unlike you, Juan, no, I'm fine.
Okay.
Would make 25 boxes a day, and you've only made 2 today. So if you do not get on your shipment, I'm sorry, Juan, but I have no choice but to fire you. But more likely won't, because the DA won't let me.
Why?
Get on those shipments, Juan. Go.
So like
I'll
so like ships on the ocean or
No, you have to ship out your boxes. Now, Juan.
on the ocean.
No.
So
No.
So I throw all the boxes I've ever made into the ocean.
No. Juan. Dang it.
Okay. What? I thought you just said 2.